So it amply signifies the fact that keeping in view the ensuing assembly elections and as well as anticipating a big defeat in the coming elections, they have resorted to these heinous crimes because they don't believe in democracy. Time and again it is proved. And today's incident also again opened the eyes of all these loving people in the state. At CPIM, they may go to any mischievous activities to win the election, which is next to impossible so far 2023 is concerned. So we have seen the former Chief Minister and leader of the opposition has visited the hospital and some other leaders. And now all cock and bull stories will be created again to malign the ruling party. But we will democratically face it. We help, solicit help, solicit help from the peace-loving people of our state, and in the coming times, the peace-loving people of the state as well as our party will combat this heinous crime, heinous mischievous activities in a democratic manner.
The party in power has been repeatedly saying that political violence is inherited from the 30 years. But at the same time, this is also a concern. Life was lost today, and the way the things are going on, it's also a concern how peaceful the election will be, and ultimately the responsibility with those who are in the ruling party.
See, so far the loss of life is concerned is very much sad. We don't know exactly what happened, but we have to go to the root and see whether our party or our cadets are involved into it or the ruling party. They have faced this conspiracy. But we must just put up in record that during left regime of 25 years, ruling cabinet minister was killed. The then SDM of Shadar, Tukram Dev Burma, was murdered inside his office premises. MLA Parimal Shah was murdered. MLA Madhusudhan Shah was murdered. A plethora of incidents we can present before the ruling, opposition parties and people of Tripura. It is very much well known or established fact, before the people of the state. So we need not add anything further to that. We believe in democracy. We believe in the people, upon the people of Tripura. They have made us victorious in 2018 election, defeating this anti-people, anti-democratic party in 2018 election. Development going on everywhere in the state of Tripura to all the nooks and corners of the state, and very much hopeful the people of Tripura will condemn this attack, barbaric attack on our peaceful agitation, and in the coming time they will be given a big lesson.
Are you hinting towards this may be a conspiracy? What do you mean? That
is undoubtedly a conspiracy, because those people are ambushing from earlier and they were attacking or resorting attack to our this democratic movement. That is definitely a conspiracy.
About the murder, I am thinking.
Murder, we have to go to the root of it. We have to see.
You're hinting that
if any government, the then CPIM government, you may recall, in 1998, the then cabinet minister was murdered. So it's a deep-rooted conspiracy. Ruling MLA being murdered. It's a deep-rooted conspiracy. What is, if not what? So definitely, if a minister can be murdered, if a Southern SDM can be murdered, if a standing MLA can be murdered, then killing or murdering a mere karyakarta or a cadre is not at all a big deal to them. So it's a very simple thing, simple arithmetic behind this. It's a deep-rooted conspiracy being hedged today by the opposition party, and they don't believe in democracy. They don't have faith upon the people of our state. So 2023 election, people of Tripura have time and again rejected them in different elections which have taken place during this discourse of time in 4 and 5 years. And again in 23 election, they are going to get a big job. So anticipating that, they have trying to vitiate the atmosphere and misguide the people of our state as a whole. But people of Tripura will give them a befitting lesson.
Thank you.